Welcome to a new era of digital dominance. We're unveiling the top 5 essential AI digital marketing strategies that are absolute game changers for your business. Number 1, content marketing. The secret? Deliver value first, sell later. While videos are great, podcasting is emerging as a powerful tool for building relationships. With YouTube's growing focus on podcasting, your content gains better discoverability. AI can assist in generating engaging podcast topics and outlines, blending AI efficiency with your unique perspective. Utilize AI to tap into audience interests and create content that truly resonates. Number 2, social media marketing. The trend continues with short-form vertical videos. But here's a pro tip for 2024. Repurpose your video content clips for social media. AI tools can select the best segments of your content for platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube Shorts. This strategy maximizes your content's reach with minimal effort, ensuring your message connects with a wider audience. Number 3, search engine marketing. AI is changing the SEO landscape. Focus on creating rich, experience-based content. AI can help draft initial content, but your personal stories and opinions will make it stand out. Also, consider TikTok and YouTube for your content strategy, leveraging their power as search engines. AI can optimize your keywords and analyze search trends for better visibility. Number 4, email marketing remains a powerhouse. The game changer? Interactive quizzes as lead magnets. This has the ability to double the conversion rates versus traditional ebooks or PDFs. AI simplifies the quiz creation process by helping you grow your email list more effectively. Number 5, paid marketing is evolving rapidly. While Facebook and Instagram ads continue to be powerful tools for growing your market, don't overlook the potential of YouTube and TikTok. AI's role in ad creation and management extends across these platforms, making your campaigns more efficient and impactful. With YouTube's vast audience and TikTok's engaging format, leveraging AI in these spaces can significantly amplify your reach and resonance with diverse audiences. That's your secret sauce for 2024's top AI digital marketing strategies. Implement these to stay ahead of the curve. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more cutting-edge AI insights. Until next time, stay creative with AI.